Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Bake Bread with Becca, or if you've been watching my videos, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my recipe for vegan dinner rolls. Now what I personally like to do is make mine the day before and then I'll put them in the fridge overnight so that I can bake them the next day. I think with the holidays and like all of the other food that you make, it makes it easier, at least for me, to do it that way. But if you do want to make them the same day, you can do that as well. I have instructions for that in the video. I also did a smaller batch for these, so it just makes a dozen, and they're like fairly small rolls as well. The reason I did that is, with everything going on with the pandemic this year, I figured people would be having smaller gatherings for the holidays, so I wanted to do a smaller batch. But if you need more, like if your family really likes bread, you can very easily like double or even triple this recipe and have a bunch to go around. But for me, I know my holidays are going to be very small this year, especially in comparison to what they usually be, because I have a really big family. So I just went with a smaller batch. But like I said, you can totally customize it to your needs. And if you're having an even smaller gathering than what I'm gonna be having, then you could even like half this recipe. I did manage to eat all of these dinner rolls by myself though, so it might be fine the way it is if you're having a really small gathering. But I think that's it, so let's get started. Heat the oat milk and sugar over low heat to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir to help the sugar dissolve. Add the milk mixture to a large bowl. Add the yeast and let sit for a few minutes. Add the oil, flour, and salt. Mix in the bowl with a bench scraper or rubber spatula. On a well-floured surface, knead the dough for 5 minutes. Oil a large bowl and place the dough in the bowl, coating with the oil. Cover and ferment for 1 hour or until doubled in size. Once the dough is fermented, punch down the dough and turn out onto a clean surface. Divide the dough into 12 equal pieces, about 40 to 45 grams each. Round each piece by folding the edges into the center, flipping the dough over, and rounding under your hand. It's best if the dough is slightly tacky for this part. Arrange on a sheet tray with at least a little space in between each roll. You can put them a little closer than I did if you like. Cover the dough with a clean kitchen towel. If you're doing overnight rolls, place the rolls in the fridge until the next day. Otherwise, proof the rolls for 45 minutes before baking. The next day, take the rolls out of the cooler and leave at room temperature for 45 minutes. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Brush the rolls with oat milk. Bake the rolls for 20 minutes or until golden brown. While they're still warm, brush the rolls with melted vegan butter. Alright y'all, thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. I do regular videos on how to make different types of bread. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter as @breadwithbecca. I also made a Pinterest, so you can follow me on there. It's Bread with Becca is my username on there as well. And if you do end up making this recipe, I would love to see pictures of it. You know, you can tag me in a post if you want to, or DM it to me on Instagram, Twitter, whatever. I really do love seeing y'all's creations as well. But I'll see y'all soon with another video.